Okay, so today we're going to talk about Apple. Okay, and can we see this stock bounce again at $220, or will it break $230 to the upside? Okay, we need to talk about it because the market here in Apple hasn't done too much in terms of price movement. It's been stagnated, it's stagnant, and the market has been trading within a very tight range. When are we going to break this area? Do you guys know? Because I do think whenever we do break it, whether it's to higher prices or whether to lower prices, it's going to be a very big move. Okay, because this duration of people who have been trading here in the market in Apple goes all the way back to like July 2024. Those people, once they are done with their campaign, will go ahead and move to the next level to start another campaign. So let's look at Apple real quick on the 2-day chart, because we've had this price prediction on our chart ever since August the 19th. Around that time frame, looking for Apple to go up. It has gone higher, but it hasn't gone to a place of 250 bucks. Yes, the market action in Apple did come and hit our first seller's pocket, even came and hit our second seller's pocket right here around mid-October. And that, I mean, again, we understood that the market in Apple could hit a ceiling at $235, $240. And it looked like that's been the case. Earnings is coming out into the market. Oh, it already did, excuse me. And it really didn't have a positive impact on the stock move higher. It didn't. Instead, the market here in Apple on this 2-day price bar closed down 3.12%. Look at Apple here on the 3. Okay. Look at that 3-day price bar here. That's pretty bearish. It's giving us a hint. It's giving us a signal. And when we combine this 3-day price bar with the rejection of these two sellers pockets, you have to say, yeah, this stock may be kind of weak. It's not showing us any strength right now, which is why we want to see, could the buyers hold price in Apple at this buyer's pocket of 216, or will they hold it down here at 210? Here's Apple on the 4 right there. Another indication that the market is weak. It looks like the edge currently is in favor of the sellers in the stock for Apple. What about on the 5? Apple on the weekly chart. Look at that. Last week, we got 2 weaknesses on one price bar. Scary. What about on the 2? Look at the last completed 2 weeks. The prior week, 2 weekly price bar was great. It was bullish. But the sellers at this seller's pocket has told us, look, I know you guys want to move this market up in my area. I wish you would come up in here, because then I'm going to show you what I really got. And they really did show the buyers that they wasn't ready. The market in Apple came right back down 5.14% in the next 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3, Apple on the 5, and Apple on the monthly chart. Okay, so I think our price prediction now would be for Apple to go lower. If you didn't get out when the market hit these two sellers pockets back in October timeframe, getting out now, we will be down 1.3%. Okay, now let's get rid of this seller's pocket here, and everything else is still relevant in terms of pockets. This buyer's pocket is still relevant, and this second buyer's pocket is still relevant. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. We're going to anticipate lower prices in Apple. Okay, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to place our resistance area right there around 235. Could be at the high of that seller's pocket. And we're going to place our first target here, this first buyer's pocket of 216, which is around like 3.04%. And then our second target would be here at the low of these 2 days. That would give us 4.21%. And then our third target will be at the second buyer's pocket. It's like 5.75% move there. Okay. So that is where we are at in our analysis with Apple. We do suspect that the stock's going to continue to trend lower. I'm not going to say a crash or plummet, but it does look as if the sellers currently is holding a ball, which represents the price, and they want to take it down. Okay, so that's where we're going to hold it. If we do see the market in Apple as price is anticipated to go lower, hold this buyer's pocket, then the market may actually shoot higher. But we have to wait and see if these buyers want to buy it. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.